You've got important, heartfelt questions on real-life issues. We've got the answers you've been looking for based on the never-failing promises of God's Word. As you stand with the encouraging Word today with a ministry gift, we will send you a brand new teaching series from Pastor Don Wilton, Real Issues. This 2 DVD or CD 4-message series will encourage you and strengthen your faith as it impacts your life with answers to real-life questions from the pages of God's Word. Your support will empower this gospel ministry that is sharing God's Word with a world in need through our broadcasts, resources, and outreaches, all made possible through the wonderful financial blessing of friends like you. Thank you for your support. Write to us at Post Office Box 2110, Spartanburg, South Carolina, 29304, or call us toll-free at 866-899-WORD, or visit us online at theencouragingword.org. We want you to know how grateful we are for your generous support of the Encouraging Word.